So if you think this is big and heavy, then you are right. Now the big question is, what should I do with it? Because it's kinda too deep for a bowl. So I'm thinking it's not going to be a bowl, it's going to be a ball. Let's see. So it's finally round, and just look at those mushrooms painting. I mean, Picasso my ass. And it seems like it's not going to be a ball after all, because it's not deep enough. Oh, well, But round is boring, so it's going to be a little squashed. It's going to be a squashed planet. I took quite a long time to make the finish kind of perfect from the other side. And guess what? I turned it around and now it's not true anymore. It's wobbly again. On the other hand, it's a good practice. So what? I admit, using a drill, it's kind of pathetic for bowls, but it saves a lot of time, and the center is like the most annoying part. And in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out. What does it remind you? I remember springtime again. Hollowing is the most fun part, the most scary part. That's why it's so fun. The annoying part of that is all the shavings. They just won't go out. Bad shavings. And that gets repeated like every 20 seconds or something. Yeah, not so much fun. And here we get to the acoustic test, the most important test for wooden items. I ended up scraping the bottom. I'm a failure! And that's perhaps why it took me an hour. Yeah, you heard it right, an hour sanding. Ugh. But at the end, after a little cleaning, I guess not bad. I mean, look at those mushrooms. But it was wet, and I had to let it dry, and this is what happens. No! No! If you would. So, everyone loves gluing. Everyone loves gluing. And sanding in afterwards. And because it never works the first time, you have to do it again. And then usually again. Oh well. All is well at the end, and I can put a bit of the mighty bug poo on top of this beautiful squashed planet. I mean, look at that. But it's still not ready. So, Neshika, how can you make this even more beautiful? Well, there's a bit of missing footage in there. No idea why, but I could make it even better. So let's just jump right into the glamour shots, okay? And now you really need to like and subscribe, otherwise you may end up as another missing footage. Yeah, whatever.